Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. And one need have chair.
Yes, I bought a cell phone from the company
Oh, really? We apology proposition.
several products. When I tried to use it for days, it turned out
Yes, sorry, sir, for the inconvenience to my company.
that cell phone didn't work and the cell phone died right.
You back to the shop where you bought your cell phone. The shop, the warranty cat, the shop three wheel ref like your cell phone with I know one.
How are you doing, sir? He said was good. He lost his cell phone
No, you can use the bus or public transportation.
and so the ran car to the shop clear their replace so the cell phone and the new one Sahil.
Yes, I'm ready to buy what for the cell phone share. Now see I will reflect the cell phone with I the one fax.
How do you sir? I am from Jampang Kulon, Purwais from Sukabumi.
Asking for you Andres.
Cream by package, huh? But cause the profits the father who's paid.
Please, I waiting.
Thanks you for the person charge.
Okay, sir, I will process it the relate.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Thank you sir. See you.